I am Dr. Ganesh Mughal, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, KTHM College, Nasik. Dear learner, we are discussing about the computer graphics. In previous lecture, we discussed about what is a pixel, what is a resolution, and what is a graphics in a C. Friends, we know that the pixel is the smallest picture cell of a screen. It is the addressable point of a screen. We can change the intensity or we can change the color of each pixel. And depending on the pixel, the screen have a different resolution. The screen have medium resolution if the pixels are 320 by 200, that is, x-axis consists of a 320 pixel and y-axis consists of a 200 pixel. There is a high resolution screen which have pixel is about 640 by 200. Then very high resolution, the pixels are 640 by 350. In super high resolution, the pixels are 1028 by 760. Friends, in previous lecture we also discussed about the graphics mode, graphics driver. Then in it graph function, close graph function. We know that the init graph function is used to change the text mode to the graphics mode, while the close graph function is used to close the graphics mode. Dear learner, in this lecture we have to see graphics command. Our first graphics command is get pixel. Get pixel is used to select the particular location on a screen. Put pixel is used to point the location. We can change the color of the pixels. Then move to. Here move to function is used to move from current location to the given location. Then line function is used to draw line. Line to function is used to draw line from current location to the given location, while the polyline is used to draw number of lines. Then next function is circle, arc and ellipse. Circle is used to draw circle, arc is used to draw arc, ellipse is used to draw ellipse. Then rectangle, bar. Next is a get max x and y, which is used to get maximum value of x coordinate and y coordinate on a screen. Next is a set color, which is used to set the color of different shapes. We also use the clear device, which is used to clear the screen and filling image. After attending this lecture, student will be understand about get pixel, put pixel and move to function and able to draw line and polyline in a graphics program. Our first graphics command is get pixel. Get pixel is a function gives the location of a point by using x and y coordinate. So we can get the location of any point on a screen by using get pixel graphics command. Then the syntax of this get pixel is get pixel integer x and integer y. Here the x value of x is an integer and value of y is also integer. Then value of x gives x coordinate, while value of y gives y coordinate on a screen. Then next is put pixel. The put pixel function plot a point on the screen having x and y coordinate. So, what is the difference between get pixel and put pixel? The get pixel gives the location of the point, but the put pixel plot the point on a screen, and this point have x coordinate as well as y coordinate. We can change the color of pixels by using put pixel function. The syntax of this put pixel function is put pixel integer x integer y. Integer x is x coordinate, integer y is y coordinate, and integer pixel color. We can use different colors. Here in this example, put pixel 50 50, it indicates that x coordinate is 50, y coordinate is 50, and the color of a pixel is blue color. Here this graph shows x coordinate is 50, y coordinate is 50, and the color of this pixel is blue. The integer 2 indicate that color of a pixel is blue. Then third function, graphics function or graphics command is move to. This function move the current point to the new position defined by x and y coordinate. So, here it move from current point to the new point. New points are assigned in this function. Syntax is move to integer x integer y. So, integer x represent x coordinate of a new position and integer y represent y coordinate of a new position. Then we have to draw line. The function, this function draw line from x0 y0. This is the initial coordinate of the line to xy. Xy are the final coordinate of a point. Syntax is line integer x0 integer y0. Integer x0 is x0 and y0 are the starting coordinate or initial coordinate, and integer xy are final coordinate of the line. Here example is line 50 50. 50 represent x coordinate, 50 next 50 represent the y coordinate of a starting point. Then 100 represent the x coordinate and y coordinate of end of the line or final point of a line. So, here is this line start from 50, 50. X coordinate is a 50, y coordinate is a 50, and it is end at 100, 100. That is, x coordinate is 100 and y coordinate is also 100. Next is line 2 function. The line 2 function is draw a line in a graphics mode from current location to a new position specified by the parameter x to y. The syntax is line 2, integer x, integer y. It indicates that the line is started from particular current location and its new position coordinates are x and y. Example is line 2, 100, 150. It indicates that the line is started from the current location 100, 100 and its new position is 100, 150. So, this is line. So, this is function which is used to draw line from current position to the new position specified by parameter x and y. Polyline. The polyline gives the number of lines using line rel function. The line rel function draw a line in graphics mode from the current position to the new position, that is a specified distance away, dx and dy, where dx is a distance along x axis and dy is a distance along y axis. Here is a separation between these two lines. Dx represent separation between two lines along x axis, dy represent separation between the two lines along y axis. The syntax is line rel integer dx, okay, integer dy. Okay. Example is line rel 50, 50. Here, this is a graph. Integer dx, integer dy. Here, the integer dx represent the spacing between two lines along x axis and dy is distance along y axis. Example is line rel 50, 50. It indicates that the dx it is a 50 and dy is also 50. Now, we have to see some graphics commands to draw circle, arc, ellipse, rectangle and bar. Also, we have to fill particular color in a different shape. Also, we have to see clear device function. So, all these we have to see after this point. First, circle. Circle. The function circle gives the circle on the screen with a center x, y and having radius defined by integer radius. Syntax is circle, integer x, integer y, integer x, integer y. This gives the center of circle and integer radius gives the radius of the circle. In this example, circle 100, 100. this is center of a circle, and 50 represent the radius of this circle. This is a circle which have center 100, 100, that is x coordinate is 100 and y coordinate is 100, and the radius of the circle is 50. Now, we have to draw arc. The function draw circular arc having a coordinates x and y at a center. The starting angle gives by start st underscore angle and ending angle gives by end underscore angle. The radius of arc is defined by integer radius. The syntax is arc integer x, integer y. Integer x and integer y gives the center of arc. Then integer st underscore angle is a starting angle, integer end underscore angle is end angle, and integer radius gives the radius of a arc. Here example is arc 50 50 150 150 150 150 150 is the x coordinate, 150 is the y coordinate, which gives the center of arc. 0 is a starting angle, 90 is end angle, and 100 is a radius of a arc. It is shown like this. The center 150 150, starting angle is 0, it is end at 90 degree, and the radius of this arc is 100. Now, we have to draw ellipse. The function, this function draw ellipse on the screen. The ellipse having center x y, starting angle, end angle, and also when we have to draw ellipse, we require x radius and y radius, which gives same radius along semi major and semi minor axes of a ellipse, or simply semi major and semi minor axes of a ellipse. Syntax is ellipse integer x, integer y. Integer x and integer y gives the center of a ellipse. Then integer starting angle, okay, integer end angle, integer radius of a semi major along the semi major axis, integer y underscore radius, which is a radius along the semi minor axis. Ellipse example ellipse 150 100, this is the center of the ellipse. 0 is a starting angle and 160 is end angle, 65 is a radius along the semi major axis, and 50 is radius along the semi minor axis. Now, rectangle. We have to draw a rectangle. The rectangle function draw a rectangle on the screen. The first 2 point, that is left and top point, gives the one corner point, and remaining 2 point right and bottom point gives the other 2 point. That is, here first 2 point gives the coordinate of left corner, and the remaining 2 point gives the coordinate of a right corner, which is at a bottom. First is at a top and second is at a bottom. Syntax is rectangle integer left, integer top. It indicates that the coordinate of top left point, integer right, integer bottom, it represent the coordinate of right bottom point. Example rectangle 100 50. This is coordinate of top point, left and top point. 250, 150 is the coordinate of bottom right point. Now, bar. The bar function draws the bar with the corner point xy and x1, y1. Syntax is bar integer x, integer y, integer x1, integer y1. Okay. Here 150, this is coordinate of left top point, and the 250, 75, these are the coordinate of bottom right point. Here, when we have to draw bar, what is the difference between the rectangle and bar? Here, the x coordinates or y coordinates are close to each other, so that we get a bar. Then get max x and get max y function. This function, that is get max x, and gives maximum value of x in a current graphics mode, while the function get max y gives the maximum value of y in a current graphics mode. Syntax is x1 is equal to get max x and y1 is equal to get max y. This gives that is x1 and y1 be the maximum value of x and y coordinates. Here actually get max x gives the pixels, position of a pixel at the bottom corner along x axis, and y1 gives maximum value of y along bottom corner of a screen. Then set color. This function set the drawing color. Syntax is set color integer color. Example, set color 4. 4 is used for a red color. Okay. The possible color value are from 0 to 15. 0 is for black color, 1 is for blue color, 2 is for green color, 3 is for cyan color, 4 is for red color, 5 for magenta color, 6 for brown color, 7 for light grey, then 8 for dark grey, 9 for light blue, 10 for light green, 11 for light cyan, 12 for light red, and 13 for light magenta color. 14 is used for yellow color and 5 is used for white color. Then 128 is used to blink the particular pixel on a screen. 9. Then clear device. This function clear the screen in a graphics mode. Next is a filling image. The set fill style function is used to fill the pattern and color. Following are some predefined fill style. First, what is the syntax of this fill image? Wide set fill style, integer pattern. The first integer represent pattern, while the second integer represent color. First, when we use a pattern, integer pattern as a 0, then there is an empty fill. It indicates that fill with background color. If we use 1 as a pattern, integer pattern, then it is a use for solid field. When 2 is a use, then it is line field. But the lines are the horizontal lines. If we use integer 3 as a pattern, then it is also used for line, but slash field, and the lines are inclined line. Example, circle 100, 100, 50. Wide set fill style. Circle 100, 100, it indicates that the center of the circle having coordinate x coordinate 100 and y coordinate 100. The radius of the circle is a 50. Wide set fill style, one indicate that the style means filling the image. Here is a solid field. 1 is a use for solid field and 4 is a use for red color. Now you have some assignment. First question is write a syntax for line, circle, ellipse, rectangle and bar. Second question is what is use of function clear device. Third question, what is syntax for filling color and image in a graphics. Fourth question is what is the syntax to get maximum value of x and y in a graphics mode. And fifth question is what is the difference between get pixel and put pixel. Solve this question and send the answer of all the question on email ID ganeshmogal@kthmcollege.ac.in. In this lecture we discuss get pixel. Get pixel is a use to get particular location of a pixel on a screen. Put pixel is a use to get the pixel, or we can change the color of that pixel. Move to is a function used for move current location to the specific location given in a function. Then line, this line is a use to draw the line. Then line 2 is a use to draw line from current location to the specified location. Then the polyline, it is used to draw a number of lines. Circle is a use to draw circle. Arc is a use to draw arc. Ellipse is a use to draw ellipse. Rectangle is a use to draw rectangle, while bar is a use to draw bar. Then get max x and get max y functions are used to get maximum value of x and y on a screen. Then set color function is used to set the particular color of a different shapes. Then the clear device is used to clear the screen. Filling image is used to fill the image, that is a solid fill, or we can fill lines, horizontal line or slash, that is a inclined line. Friends, in a next lecture we have to see C program to draw circle, arc, ellipse, rectangle and bar using graphics. Second C program is a C program to draw simple cubic structure using graphics. And third program is C program to draw Miller indices using graphics. Thank you.